Salt is a public relations business. We've been going for 8 years. There's 25 of us working here in London, and we work with some of the biggest companies in the world. When we set up the business, I took control for the numbers side of the business, but over time as we grew it became very clear that that probably wasn't the best use of my time, and we're a public relations business. We should be out there selling public relations. So it made sense for us to start outsourcing the financial side of our business.
Salt are a great example of a rapidly growing owner-managed business. One of our partners has taken one of the Dynamics ERP products, installed it in a very large data centre, and they provide access to that system to their own people who journal transactions in for their clients, and they provide access to the system to the clients themselves for management reporting purposes. As a result of doing that, their clients don't have to worry about having a finance department, don't have to worry about having an IT department. They can just concentrate on what's really important to them and the growth that they're pursuing.
I'm getting management reports that show me the numbers on both sides of our business, the costs and the sales, where our profitability is, where the unnecessary costs are in a business that I need to address, where the potential opportunities are, which isn't always the same as what our gut instinct is telling us. So actually we're able to make better informed decisions. I have no doubt in my mind that we're more profitable. We're not going to have surprise costs. We're not going to have to pay for some new upgrades to the system. We're not having to pay for the maintenance of the system. We've not had to invest in any accounting hardware or software. By taking this route, I know exactly what I'm going to pay each year.
A hosted solution will give a customer resilient power, resilient communications, properly backed up environment, all of which are very expensive to achieve if you're doing it just for one organisation. A hosting service allows them all of the benefits without the cost that's involved, because it's done across multiple customers, so you get the benefits of scale that a large enterprise would get at a price that's lower than they could do it themselves.
We're dealing with major finance departments inside major global corporations, and actually I feel when we are talking finances with them, I'm able to talk as an equal. I've got very professional financial information which I can pull up.
The owner-managed community is incredibly important for Microsoft. Small businesses are a very big marketplace for us. We're very focused on helping those organisations drive down the cost of their IT. Now, our opportunity is to take technology and make it much more consumable, a much faster return on investment. And Software Plus Service is yet another example of us doing that.
I haven't regretted for 1 minute the decision I took to outsource this side of our business. Not only has the professionalism of our accounting transformed, but it's enabled me to drive value in our business, which is what my role should be. And I wouldn't hesitate for 1 minute to advise anyone else to do this.